Okay, here we are for another issue of Canteen Cup Tuesday. I am your host, Matthew O'Floorboy. It's been a long time since I've done Canteen Cup Tuesday, and it was a nice day today. So I figured I'd come on out and show y'all just what new low that I have sunk to. I don't know what this is going to be called, and I don't know what you want to call it, but we're gonna, and I've never had this before. I just invented this when I was in the $1.25 tree getting some other stuff. So let's go on down and I'll show you this truly disgusting combination that I put together for today. Okay, before we get into Canteen Cup Tuesday, let me show you my camp for today. This is nothing but an 8x10 Harbor Freight tarp thrown over a ridgeline. You prop up the front two corners and guy them out to make the Redneck Riviera, and you got an easy breezy day camp. This is awesome. Okay. I don't know whether this counts as a Canteen Cup Tuesday or not, but we're going to use our canteen cup, and we're gonna mix up some ungodly combination of stuff. And a lot of people have been requesting this, but here's what we got. Some original Vienna sausage. Not one, but 2 cans. So we're going to put these Vienna sausages in there. And we're going to mix it in with some Velveeta cheese sauce. It kind of makes some cheesy weenies. So this could either be the best stroke of genius I've ever had, or it could be the worst. So this is going to be good. Alright, first of all, we got to drain our weenies. So we're just going to drain them out. Weenie juice. Alright, there's one drained weenie. That didn't sound good. Alright, oof, man, those smell. Alright, there's our second drain weenie. Alright, we're just gonna pop them open. Oh, look at those weenies. Oh man, I'm tempted to eat them just right out of the can. Okay, but we're gonna get our Velveeta cheese sauce here. I don't know. This is a cold Canteen Cup Tuesday, so I don't know if you can see that good. Let's change this. Alright, this could be the most disgusting thing ever in the world. We're going to throw our weenies in there. Oh my god. Now we're going to just open this Velveeta cheese sauce. I'm opening it with my teeth. Oh, wait a minute. I do got a knife. So let's try that. It's probably going to be much better with a knife. Alright, it's a little better. Now, this is the worst thing that I've ever come up with. I can't believe that I'm going to do this. Well, the Velveeta ain't bad. You want to know the truth. Alright, now, that's what we got. We'll mix it up. So we got some cheesy weenies. It doesn't matter if you crunch them up a little bit. I don't know if it does or not. I'm just inventing it. Holy cow. That's like the coolest thing ever. But hold on just a second. None of my creations would ever be complete without our old friend Cristal hot sauce. And this is going to need more than a drop. Woo! That ought to do it. Now, no matter where you are, you can always hear a plane going over. That's pretty good, but that's definitely going to need some more of that. That on a hot day? Alright. Alright, so this looks absolutely disgusting. Let's go up and try it. Alright. It's too hot to cook. A little breeze is coming up. So here we go. Our Velveeta cheese and Vienna sausage. Which actually is not bad. If I heated this up, it'd probably be fairly decent. But I don't know whether it's the I don't know whether it's the aftertaste of the weenies or the Cristal. Whew. Maybe a little heavy on the hot sauce. That's awesome. Canteen Cup Tuesday without cooking, and it qualifies because it's in the Canteen Cup. Plus, I invented Canteen Cup Tuesday, and I say it qualifies anyway. So, here we go. We're going to call this Vienna cheese surprise. And it is a surprise, because I didn't even know what it was. No, I'm starving. I eat anything right now. There's a couple mosquitoes out. So, and there's a little breeze coming up. It's not bad. I'm sitting here in the shade. So, here we are on another Canteen Cup Tuesday from Bull Creek Wildlife Management Area. And this is Matthew O'Floorboy. And I will see you on the trail.